Welcome to Victory Wing channel. Today, Sri Dhananjay Singh Rathod, Senior Regional Manager, Central Bank of India, and we are know about more products to MSME sectors and the Central Bank of India. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
Sir, we want to know about the Central Bank of India, when it was started and when it was nationalized.
Sir, it is a great opportunity to tell about my own bank. The Central Bank of India was started by an Indian only.
India.
By Indian, for Indian, and their concept was Indian concept was there. That time, India was not an independent country, and most of the banking channels here was from the Britishers only. So that time, one banker, Sir Saurabhji Pochkhanwala, started this Central Bank of India with the concept of Swadeshi Bank. That ki for India, by India, that was the concept.
Wonderful.
So that time, what was happening, even competent persons of Indian origin were not getting the deserving place in the banking. So that was the reason he has switched over from the British bank, and they have started this own bank in 1911. And then in 1969, many other banks, like 14 other banks, have been nationalized for the national cause of this good growth of this country, and accordingly, this has been nationalized. At the time, one thing I want to inform you: at the time of nationalization, this bank was the #1 bank in this country.
Wonderful.
This was the #1 bank.
Wonderful.
So now we are in process of gaining the same position. So we are working hard in that line.
Sir, last this corona pandemic, and how do you feel? Any difficulties for your recoveries or any of the advances? How the business is going
Actually,
on?
the corona pandemic is not for the Central Bank of India only.
Yeah.
It is the worldwide
worldwide.
effects are there. And if you see in Hyderabad, an economy is coming on the line now.
Fantastic.
But some of the segments are there which is still in the bad shape. But moreover, now they are going to be normalized. Now normalization is on the process. Equally, we are also seeing that recently we have made one drive of the recovery, even though Supreme Court order is there. Even then, people are willing to pay the arrears and want to their account should be upgraded. They don't want to wait further for, because income generation is there, so they are paying. Almost 85% people of this region has paid their arrear.
Oh,
So
great.
that's why it is a great thing here.
That's
85% people who are having moratorium, if they will not paying as per Supreme Court order, then there is no problem. But they willing to pay, they don't want, they should be in default, they are having cash flow and they are paying.
What type of benefits you have given in this COVID-19 for the MSME sectors?
Sir, MSME sector actually is the highest employment generated
That's true.
sector. And all government even banks having its focus on that is helping to the MSME, is not only in the particular industry, but is a large number of employability is there. So it is helping to the common people of this country.
That's true.
So for that reason, government has given COVID Sahayata, thereafter this ECLGS, thereafter 10% of the exposure, then 20%, then 15% of the capital also we can finance as a subordinate debt. All these schemes, and we have done almost in Telangana. We are one of the major bank who has done all, whoever requested, we have done.
There is really
There is-
great for the MSME
There
sectors.
is not a single, even we have persuaded those who has not willing to take.
Please.
Those who don't want to take also, we have gone there and persuaded you have to take this benefit this government has given you. You have to take this one. It will help you in your business.
And what is the secret, sir? This many of the your banking sector, whomever is getting finance from you, they are a long association, and which I come across some of the your major customers. Sir, we are with them 30 years, 40 years, 60 years. So no change from the people. What is the service, the motto behind of it?
So where you are sitting, this is in Koti, my office. It is almost 100 years. This Hyderabad city, this was the second branch of this bank, where this is completed 100 years. This is 102 years branch, which is down the
Great.
road. So that 100 years of banking experience in this city only,
That
And even bank, we are having, because by being a Swadeshi bank, we know the people from core of heart. So that core relation between, not only financial relation, that relation is between person and person, people and people. So even then, I am seeing that the next generation people are coming.
yes.
Then their older people are telling, no, no, you have to go to the Central Bank of India, because their bank is we have grown with this bank. So that one intimacy and relationship banking is still there in Central Bank of India. That might be the reason.
Sir, what is the corporate goals for the financial year coming up, the 2021, for the Central Bank of India?
Actually, this corporate goal, mostly as a PSB banks, we are most focused on the development of this country also.
Okay.
Accordingly, our focused area is the RAM, retail, agriculture and MSME. We are focusing on this area, and CASA and other areas like is also one of the most focused area. So we are expecting 20% growth in these parameters, and particularly NPA reduction below 5% of the net NPA
Oh,
is our corporate target. So we are focusing in that direction, and I am hopeful that we will get this
Going to be
achievement of this corporate goal
fantastic.
in the coming days.
Coming days, it is coming to.
Particularly Hyderabad is contributing more there this year.
Fantastic.
So I am sure that we are, and with
Fantastic,
the help
sir.
of your viewers, I think we will achieve this more, multiply our MSME portfolio. That is our expectation.
So this COVID-19 in MSME sectors, particularly in Hyderabad, there are many of the MSMEs are there. From Central Bank of India, these MSME sectors are getting any type of benefits, and so what? What type of benefits? they are
Particularly,
getting?
we are having existing units are there. They are getting whatever we have told you, like Government of India initiative like COVID Sahayata and ACLGS for 20%. There are subordinate debt of 15% of the capital. All these things are there. Even though these street vendors of this society, wherever they are having, they are also affected by this COVID-19. So 10,000 per street vendors who were registered in municipal corporation, they are getting COVID, this PM Swanidhi scheme.
Oh,
That is 10,000 per year. But particularly as after this COVID-19, I think Atmanirbhar Bharat was one of the great idea in this country. And naturally, we have to make our own our supply chain. And that time of, particularly in the critical situation where one items are required by many countries, so particularly it is very difficult to maintain the supply chain.
supply
So
chain.
it was given, this pandemic has
That's
given a
true.
great benefit to this country.
yeah.
That I understand. Their collateral free loans are there up to 1 crore, very competitive rate of interest,
Fantastic.
8.50% per annum.
Really
And
great.
this is 8.50 nothing.
Nothing,
You see,
nothing.
8.50% per annum rate of interest is there. So all these things are very, and simply we are having one thing I have taken. Single window scheme, all problems sorted out in the single window. This channel we will display the mail ID
Yeah.
and mobile number of the concerned in this channel also, so that they can get any feedback from
Feedbacks.
that also.
Sir, this COVID-19, do you find any constraints to achieve your goals in Central Bank of India towards the achievement side or in the recovery side? What is your views on that?
Particularly constraints were there, like in all other fields, banking also faced a little more here. So our banking services were in the front line and during this COVID period also. So we have not much affected our business, and I am happy to inform you that we have achieved our CASA, RAM, all targets we have achieved December 2020,
That's really
and
great.
still it is going progress. But only one constraint is there, that recovery naturally. So sometimes people are also willfully defaulting that yes, COVID is there, they are having source of income even then. So some cases are like that also. So that constraints was in recovery was a little more. So, but I am my people teams are agreed. They have voluntarily participating even on holiday and Sunday
Oh.
to recover the dues.
Oh.
So I think in the coming days,
All 365 days.
all 365 days like that. They are voluntarily, their volunteers are there. They are coming, and in coming Saturday also on 23rd, we have planned for one knock the door campaign.
Oh.
That is a recovery satyagraha. Because I know we should not force the people for recovery. Just but request and Gandhigiri
Request.
we can do. Yes.
Gandhigiri.
Gandhigiri like that. Just requesting to pay, because bank is very important for the economy. So their health is also equally important for the economy. So please pay if you are capable to pay. That is the message of
That
for this
is there.
recovery satyagraha.
Sir, what are the digital products you are having Central Bank of India and how their customers are using it?
Yeah, our digital products are wonderful in the market. Most secured one of the products are there. Like we are having net banking, personalized net banking, corporate net banking. Thereafter your ATM cards. Thereafter this you may say mobile banking, UPI, DigiPay. All these products are available in Central Bank of India, and I am happy to inform you that almost 75% of our digital transactions are on digital platform now.
Wow.
75% digital transactions are happening. So people should use this PSB 59 portal for their MSME products sanction, and they can get very easily. So that we are having digital products, all digital, whatever available in market, that is available with Central Bank of India also, and there is no much complaint. The thing is there.
Great.
All products are very good, and customers are happily. And I also appeal those who do not using this product, they start using. These are very secure. These are very good. And in the coming days, digital banking is one of the important area where government is also focusing. We as a banker also focusing.
What are the ongoing campaign to the MSME sectors in our local market?
After this Atmanirbhar Bharat, MSME is one of the most focused area. And almost recently, almost 2 months, we have done this Subharam campaign. And I appeal all of viewers of your Victory Wings, they should come Central Bank of India, and this is a Swadeshi bank, and they avail the service, personalized service of MSME lendings, and what is current account also they can maintain with us. For that, I request your all viewers to get service of Central Bank of India. We will happy to serve them.
Thank you very much, sir, for
Thank
giving
you,
such
thank
an
you,
opportunity.
thanks to all